Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
UMLA jongga Nongkrem constituency uba Lambor Malnyang. Rengkat ke Jingedon Lang jongga Deputy Commissioner jongga East Khasi Hills District kakong Mat Seudor War Nongbri. Superintendent of Police ke Shillong City uba Steve A. Renja. Extra Assistant Commissioner uba M.A. Chalam, ki bor penyak shnong ha kejingelam urang ba shnong uba I Kharkongor, ki trai jaka ka kenhon ki samla madan riting, ki re urang ba ki long keme bat ki wei ki la her jurep ha shnong madan riting, hadien ba ki pait ba nong shnong ki la ujor ya kejingle donbor jong ki sipai Assam Regimental Center, ki ba khanglat ya ki nong shnong bantei ya ki yengsa klem kano kejing pensyai. Uba Lambor Malnyang ulahir shwa haga Block F jong kasnong madan riting ban jurip ya kejaka ka ba ulayo priang jing ujor bag jipai kila khang ya ketrai jaka ban shna ya kapung tong Uba Lambor ularung ru syapok kut jong sipai ban pej bnia ya kene kejaka. Kam hadian kani uba Lambor ulale jurip ya kejaka ha Block D ki badan markap bat ka shooting range jong ka Assam Regimental Center ki ba ulayo jing ujor leng ba urang ba shnong bagi trai jaka kila syak khang ban shna bat thau ying. Bat kini kita try jaka ki syabuk kendon ha kini ki sipai balada ki sna yeng kin hapan sna ha ka jaka ka ba sipau mitar ka jingjingai na ka jingker la ni ka kenro jong ka ni ka ketem sipai. Marmar Major Bhushan ka Assam Regimental Center tang shiyo jingtip halor ka ni ulawan her sya ka ni jaka ban penksan yala ka niya bagi sipai ki bot ya ka kendon katkum jong ka sarkar India. Haba keren ya ki nong thok khobor urang ba shnong ka madan riting uba I Kharkongor ulaong bagini ki try jaka ki don kumah nyongut ha Block D kila syak hang ban shna yeng ha ki sipai bat nakaliang jong uru ula pentip ya kani ke jingja sha UMLA ban le AA halor kani.
This is a private property. So they wanted to construct their house. And we were told that some kind of an FIR was filed. Stopping them from constructing there. So what was the reason?
Actually, what happened, I met with him earlier also. We have declared twice with that time OC was some Actually, the government notification of Government of India says that time there is no construction from army boundary till 10 meters. It's no construction. After that, one-story building can be constructed till 50 meters. Now the newly government's notification has come, which says that there will be no construction within the 50 meters.
When was this order passed?
Exact date I don't know, but I can give you a copy of that government of notification of government order.
Can you please pass on that order?
Yeah. You give me your this one.
No, you can contact
contact number. I will send you by WhatsApp.
Sure, I contact.
Yeah. From long range, and they were asking us, you just give us route to this. We were agreed for that. We cannot stop anybody's route who is going towards this. We were agreed that, and they have constructed some. We are. But for construction matter, second thing, it is a very important because it is baffle range. Ricochet is also there. It is a security hazard for the civilians also. It may happen that our targets are here.
No.
The point.
It's a security hazard, and our what weapons we are using here is 5.56 inches.
See,
the ballistic goes till 27 meters, 200 meters.
We know, you see, Major, very clearly in the Article 244 of the 6th Schedule under the Constitution of India to protect the tribal lands.
Yeah.
So what I mean to say is, how can they change such rules, which is already in the Constitution?
Actually, it is the opposite government. Actually, we can't say any. I don't have any comments on this. How they can change the rule? I'm not a rule maker or changer.
No, I understand.
I'm just custodian of Government of India's land.
Absolutely, I understand that. I understand. We are here also. We serve for the purpose of the people.
Obviously.
You are also serving the nation. We are also serving the nation.
Obviously.
You see, this has to come to an understanding.
Yeah.
I'm to show you them for that.
The
water source.
Water source. Water source, we have given them permission. They were saying that time some scheme is coming there. We allowed that you just dig out and that type of water is no issue. How can we say no for the water?
The owner says he wants to dig that plot of land, but somebody had stopped him. Not near the gate, just up ahead. Much before.
Beyond your pillars.
Beyond your pillars also.
Pillars after pillars, it rule says ki it is that time it was 10 meter. Now it is the 50 meter, no construction. Dig
See,
out.
the thing is like, I think it's better we discuss this in my
Yeah,
office.
ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
Because
Yeah, ma'am. You are absolutely
it
right.
doesn't work that way.
Yeah,
The point
yeah.
is, see, it's a very small city that we have.
Yeah, yeah.
These are all lands around the city or within the city.
Yeah, yeah.
Very small within the city. If yesterday it was 10 meters, tomorrow it's 50 meters, the day after tomorrow it will be 500 meters. What happens? Then the whole city disappears.
Yeah.
It doesn't work that way. No?
Yeah.
So we'll have to sit
Yeah,
down
you,
and
we have
sit
to
down and discuss.
find ways and means
Yeah, we'll
to
have
resolve all these.
So practically, if you see them all along the city,
You are
there's so
very right
many.
because I am also from such area where these rules are applicable. And my house is just back to the army.
Started digging and then some of your people came and stopped them. So it should not be like that. If there's such
No,
a
no,
thing,
it
you
was not
inform
like
us
that.
officially.
No. It
Then
was,
officially we'll
we
take it up.
inform officially only, then and
Comes
it was
better.
reported to
Because
you
we have
all.
not- nothing has been
And
informed
SP
to us.
also. नहीं मैम आपके पास है. I'll that whenever you will call me, I'll give you a letter.
No, maybe you will understand that, but your lower level might not. You might say
Yeah,
from the
that
gate.
when,
Say from the gate, the RP at the gate. He might just see, no, he'll just go and
Yes,
start.
that I'll
the
ensure.
public, they're
I'll
scared of
ensure
uniform,
that.
especially
I'll
army and all
ensure
this.
that.
That
I'll
should
ensure
not be.
that. I'll ensure that.
We should build a healthy atmosphere.
Yeah, obviously.
Important.
End of the day, we are part of India only.
Right.
Kadawi kalau kita bawa baik ba ong ba kini buat ti cakap sini bagi kau mesti nanya cakap jong tapi tu kumdu ni usah mesti nanya kata ti kasi kan kalau kita ba nak kali buat stick kalau kita kasi kalau baik kalau kita sim kia ni kam si ke level juki kan saya penbaik ni kam kalau kumdu kam la kalau harus 10 meter plate nak fencing juki kan plate 10 meter tak alut je cakap bagi baik ba kita on araja square feet mesti nanya ti la sim not 10 meters ti kalau alut je cakap ti kata ni kata ko bang yo company ni baik ba nang ni tinggi sapetip siki pol ke Senong, taksi kena punya siki dulu ke joint inspection nak kalian jong ke Senong, nak kalian jong MLA, nak kalian jong ke district, pada kalian sipai. Di as of now, kung makalong hadu mentah, imak 4 poin sa kanuno kajing ya kajing akut ke batikan na ke scam. Di saya ke bor sokar kan sapet bahaganya kan kanuno karai ke balong konkret. Kena bagi nembu singa ipai ba dia nembu. Di kung makalong mentah ke balong efek ke balak kata ingat cakap ni ke mulak nuno nang ti orang kumba nyoplot dia. Nyoplot kita cakap. Nyoplot kamu kita gula sak tak bawa mamsak pan senah kita cakap ke bapak dia. Hak bayi tengku pak kani cakap ni kani kadi kesimen kau. Whereas pernah kemau kau tu ke bahasa po brown gate kami pet mana. Katuang tu ti mak kabri su kesimen kau nama nak kapor sekapori. Kita ki bombo pesai wan pendik untuk pan sangat. Di mana kani kadang kau ke jingja ke kita cakap ki banti pungum bang tu. Tu wajak tak pungum kimsa. Tiga brown gate tiga balak nak kapor sekapori. Bagi don sekiwi-kiwi pemacan tu li mat makla kala apa hadu apa court case. Ini begitu kita cakap tu kan. Tapi hendak yang ni cakap kerana dia kasih menengkong. Babus kata kalau luar kalau kau ni tempat don bah pengki tu kan. Sementara mau bersaing, kiban man pensangat. Dia kasih menengkong.
Hadian jong kajing yo ya ka complain naga gabas nang manariting. Ba kila penpau sanga yi kajing ka ba ki babun ba kilong yin ki badan hapo ne ga than ka ba hapo konstitusi jonga ya ka ba ki sipai sam regiment center kila khang na bunta jong ki babun ki long yin ki babun ban sna ya ka norom yin but katkum ka report ka ba ngiyo kalong ba ki sipai ki ong ba ngi haban kendria naga boundary wall ka jong ki ong ba 10 meter te lo nang ye khen ye ka 10 meter kala pau ba ki long yin ki ba dan inong rem yin batang sia ja na ni khasan spa square feet kamot ki ladu e ka jaga te dei na magata maso ba kajingwan kerki sini kadai halor ban wan banjurep ringkat bat deputy commissioner ringkat bat ke police department ang nakot ya ki officers napo ka Assam regiment ya ba inyo banyathir halo jong ani ga benta ti ngaso ba nakaling ka jong ngaso ban tampaw ba klakan siya hapo ka article aspa sopusaw hapo ka section ya ba lapan scam hapo ka constitution jong ka India ya ba 244 krencha ba ban protect the tribal lands te kani goi ka banta ka ba ngayang scam halo jong kaan ka la krencha ba nginhap ban penulong biang ba kini gi trajaka kinyo ban snai gi njuki gadaw galong ba u panpa u ba kadai ka order ka bon po ka government of India tenre ke jinkali jonga kalong ba hato ka government of India kla ya ni em katkum kikendon an ki badan hapo ka constitution namar ba kumba ka paumta imat kamsim la yak katkum ka riti sanchar khadar te nakaleng jungi ngalong firm but ngilong ba kin khot ya meeting kerki hag bidai but kani ka banda ba ai khubor bat ngla pentep CDC mentani ngom ba sobha ban khot yaga emergency meeting yaga ban yo banya phri jumut bat ki he sipai mne shu tang ni ki sipai ki barit ki officers barit ngai khot ba ya ku Major General jong kini ki Assam Regiment yaga ba next week ka meeting kan sadon ka ban shonglang happening jong ka district administration ringkat bat kini ki Assam Regiment but hangju ko po ngila pha ban submit yi documents yi kot chaka jong kini ki try chaka gi ban kani ka than yak ba kin haban produce po office jong DC kam bakin la ban pet na banda kijing kam te ka ba kalong ba na ken shai ba yu sipai ba sange ka harassment yi brio jongi namar ba ngidon hapo kani ka jala jongi ka ti ka jala ka parit yak ba ubli la ikerpang yak ba nginyo ban penun kam nginyo ban syong hapo ka khandau ka siap la jong tenga so ban pen pau ni ko por ba nakadeng jong ang adum syong than mat ban pentikna ba yak ni ka jing yo snai jong ki brio ki de benyo ita hi de ben pa